It is no more news that Lagos State government is constructing roads and rail in the state to decongest traffic and to reduce travel time within the state. I will appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. The construction of Opebi-Ojota Link Bridge will reduce travel time and decongest traffic around Maryland, Opebi and Ikorodu road houses of Lagos. When completed, this 3.9-kilometer link bridge will provide a direct link between Opebi-Maryland-Ojota linking Ikorodu road. This bridge will reduce the perennial traffic on Mobolaji Bank Anthony Way and other roads around this environment. The Opebi Link Bridge is designed in conjunction with Lagos State Ministry of Transportation, not only to provide an infrastructure solution, but also a transport solution that ensures value and relief for motorists. This project is handled and constructed by one of the biggest and reliable construction firms in Nigeria, Julius Berger. So I am rest assured of very perfect and reliable job. The Opebi-Ojota Link Bridge, when completed, will enable commuters to navigate from Ikeja to other parts of Lagos conveniently. When you look at Lagos population, you will understand that it is important for a city like Lagos to construct more flyover bridge and open more roads to enable free flow of vehicle movement in the mega city. This Opebi-Ojota Link Bridge, after completion, will connect road user coming in from Lagos-Ibadan expressway and Ikorodu road to Opebi, Ikeja, and airport with less travel time. Lagos State government promised that this Opebi-Ojota Link Bridge will be ready in 2023. Let me know what you think about the completion of this project in 2023 in the comment section below. This project was a vision to reality and also brought about innovation, as part of this bridge would be for walking and exercising for residents, just like the Ikoyi Link Bridge. The construction of this Opebi-Ojota Link Bridge commenced sometime around January 26, 2022 by Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu administration. The Opebi-Ojota Link Bridge, which is one of the legacy projects of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu administration, and other legacy projects such as Lagos Blue Line Rail project, which was completed and commissioned by Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu as well. A lot of Lagosians now enjoy the Blue Line Metro Rail, which has relieved Lagosians and Nigerians staying around Festac, and people staying around Lagos Badagry Expressway axis of Lagos can now get to Marina in less than 20 minutes from Mile 2. Another legacy project of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu is the Red Line Rail project, as we await the completion and commission of the Oyingbo Rail project. Many of the stations are almost completed, from the Oyingbo train station to Yaba train station, Mushin train station, Oshodi train terminal, Ikeja station, Agege station, Iju station, and Agbado station. When the project is completed and commissioned, I am very sure the governor will be happy and fulfilled at the end of his time in office. These are projects he will be forever remembered for. Upon completion of the Opebi-Maryland-Ojota Link Bridge, this will decongest traffic in Ikeja houses and on Ikorodu road by providing a direct link between Opebi, Maryland and Ojota to Ikorodu road, reducing the perennial traffic on Mobolaji Bank Anthony Way and setting precedent for Ojota commuter to linking the 3rd mainland bridge. You will all agree with me that Lagos State government is thinking in terms of road and rail projects to ensure efficiency. To provide public transport, you must have good infrastructure. Infrastructure required to ensure that the state puts decent public transport for people and every road user. Thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Sanni Olumide. You are welcome to the channel. I will appreciate if you like this video. subscribe to the channel, and also share this video. I also create real estate content, travel and tourism content, and I also share other relevant information on my channel. Feel free to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Peace.